Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself cajoshikumar. In this video we are going to discuss about alternate minimum tax. I've already uploaded a video on MAT. It is there in the description box. You can watch that video as well. So if a question comes from alternate minimum tax, I'm telling you there are like 4 to 5 points only and which are very basic. If a question comes from this, ICA expects that every CA final students to know this. If you make any kind of a mistake, strike off. Okay, so watch this video till the end. I'll help you out. So first of all, this is applicable for every SSC, not companies. Why not companies? Companies के लिए MAT is applicable. For every other SSC, alternate minimum tax is applicable. Clear? Now next one is what is the tax rate. You will calculate tax as per normal provisions of the act and then calculate 18.5% on the adjusted total income. Whichever is higher, you will pay that amount. Okay. Now what is adjusted total income? See, adjusted total income, first you will start with total income as per normal provisions of the act. And then you might have claimed certain deductions while calculating the total income as per normal provisions. So there are certain deductions you have to add back, like deduction under section 10AA. Okay, if you see under section 10AA, you will claim 100% deduction for the first 5 years. Correct? Add that. Section 35AD. Here also you will claim 100% deduction on the capital expenditure. Add that. And then the third one is 80 IAT, 80 RRB. Here also certain companies claim 100% deduction. So in case if you have claimed any deduction from these three sections, add back. Only if you claim deductions from these three sections, AMT is applicable. Okay. If you don't claim any deductions from these three sections, AMT is not applicable. Okay. One more thing you have to remember is there is only one thing which is allowed. Okay. Now you have added all these three things. You will reduce only one item. What is that item? See, deduction under section 35AD. You claim 100% of the deduction in normal provisions. Okay. Now what you're doing? You are adding it back. Matlab, you're not claiming 100% of the deduction. Since earlier you were claiming 100% of the deduction, you were not claiming depreciation. Okay. You were not allowed to claim depreciation as per 32 because 100% of deduction tum claim kar le rahe ho. Okay. So there was no point in claiming depreciation back then. Now you are adding this back. Okay. So you are allowed to claim depreciation under section 32 on these capital assets. Okay, so that one you will reduce. Only that one only you will reduce. And then you will come to adjusted total income. After calculating adjusted total income, one thing you have to see is adjusted total income should be more than 20 lakhs. Okay, only then AMT is applicable. Okay, agar adjusted total income is less than 20 lakhs, AMT is not applicable. I'm telling you basic again. Okay, this 20 lakhs point is basic. These three deductions are there, no? This is basic. And then 18.5% is basic. And then it is applicable for every SSC and not companies. This is also a basic point. Hardly there are 4 or 5 points. Okay, if you miss any one of this and do the question and come, strike off. Straight away strike off. Okay. And then the last point is, if SSC has exercised any of the options under section BAC, BAD, BAE, then un logon ko MAT is not applicable. Okay. And the last point is, see, in case if tax payable as per normal provisions of the act is 100 or adjusted total income के हिसाब से it is 120. Since whichever is higher, no, I'll have to pay tax. So I'll pay 120. Actually, I was not supposed to pay. Actually, I was supposed to pay only 100. But how much did I pay? I paid 120. 20 rupees extra I paid. What the government is saying, okay, fine, now you paid 20 rupees extra, no? You can claim that as a credit in the future years. When? Now AMT is more than normal tax provisions. Okay, that's why we paid 20 extra. In the future, when the normal tax is more than AMT, then in that case, now you can say earlier I paid that tax, now I'll take that credit. Got it? So that's how the credit works, and you can set off for next 15 years. Clear, no? And then the last 2 points, if you see, in case of cooperative society, AMT is 15%, no? It becomes 18.5%. If a unit is located in IFSC, then AMT is applicable at 9% instead of 18.5%. Clear? So that's it about your AMT. Watch my other videos also. They will be very helpful. And please do hit that like and subscribe button, which is more important, and share with your friends. Thank you all so much. See you all guys in another video.